What is going on, everyone? You know, it's a good day when we're in the garage because that means something new is happening with the DYNA. We got a whole bunch of Harley parts coming in slowly but surely. We got a bunch of boxes right now. This one is actually full of all the little boxes. I'm not going to tell you everything that we got just yet, but I will show you what we're doing today. All right, so today we're going to be changing out the mirrors, the levers, and the grips. Because you can see, well, we already loosened this, but the mirrors are quite dingy. Got a lot of stuff on there that won't really come off. I don't know if it's rust or what, but we gave these things a good cleaning. You can also see the grips are pretty much worn down. And they don't feel too good either. They're pretty slippery, you know, they're not super comfortable. And also I have mismatched levers. I got one aluminum and one chrome. So this is what we're going to be replacing them with, and I think you guys are going to really like this. We've got the Willie G skull set, and look at the grips, look pretty nice. I really like these. I got the teardrop mirrors. I think these are super clean too. I like the stem on it too. It's a lot better than what's on there. And we got just, you know, chrome levers so we can get rid of that one aluminum lever. Or whatever, gray lever, I don't know. I think these are gonna look a lot better than having two mismatched levers, right? And I think it's all gonna go together pretty well, so let's get into it. Forgot to mention, this could use a little attention too. So we're gonna be taking care of the master cylinder cover. We got this nice chrome one. Really can't wait to get all this on there. It's gonna actually transform the upper half of the bike. Definitely gonna make it look a little bit cleaner, because it's seen better days between this lever and the little bit of damage here and the dirty mirrors we got on here. It's gonna make a huge difference.
Got a rear master cylinder cover too.
Oh yeah.
Match.
Here's a little sneak peek. Look at all these boxes in here. Starting to sort them out slowly but surely.
Willie G derby cover.
Oh yeah. Got a whole ton more boxes over there. Yep. We got a whole ton of stuff to work on. So these are going to be coming out over the course of the next couple of weeks. We're going to be tinkering around with the bike.
You want to tell them what's happening February 6th? Mike from Wilbur's is coming over to hook Cam up with a brand new front and back suspension.
All right. I can't wait for that. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to look really, really good and probably feel a lot better on the road. All right, so we're going to start with the grip over here.
Yeah, take that bolt out right there.
Okay.
Just be careful. Apply pressure to that because that's a hex bolt and they strip out fast.
Probably just hand loosen it at this point. There we go. All right, there we go.
All right, just keep all these bolts together. So now we're gonna pop this cover off here.
Look at these things, guys. Let's get them open. It's got it out of the package. It's really, really good. Nice and shiny. Got that sweet Willie G logo on there. Really like it. Looks good. Okay, so putting on the new grip. Old one has been thrown in the garbage. Don't need that anymore.
Okay, this cover should come off. Just watch the wires.
There it is.
Okay, we'll take this one off. Put this one on. Oh, baby. Huh?
Yep.
Let's see. Is that about right? Here, move that. How about you sit on the bike, right? Yeah. See how you like it. Make sure they're both, you know, aligned. Cool.
All right, look at that. Makes such a big difference, just that little bit. Wow, looks way better than the old grips.
Nice, right?
Yeah, definitely. Goes really nice with the black and the chrome, and the black and then the chrome.
Looks so good.
Looks really nice. Yeah, if you can.
All right, take off the, let's pop the mirrors off. So just unscrew that thing.
Unscrew what, this all the way?
Yep, other way. Yes, sir. Just keep going. I'll take off the mirrors. That's it. Now just lift it straight up. Where'd that go?
That's it.
Where?
Right.
There we go. Okay. New ones probably came with it, but we'll hold on to this. This is gonna go in the trash because the back of this, look at this.
Yeah, that thing's pretty,
Tore up.
yeah.
Well, you're talking what? 17, we're talking like 17-year-old bike.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
True.
It's not too shabby. Hang on a second. We're gonna change the levers out first to give us some more space here.
Sure.
So let's take off this mirror. Yep. Keep going. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. All right. So now what we're going to do, we're going to replace the brake and clutch lever and have to get a pair of snap ring pliers. Then Cam will do that, and then we'll show you guys the amazing levers he's got. Oh, yeah. See that snap ring?
Yep.
And you got to be careful. I think it came with new ones, but
Yeah.
just a pair of snap ring pliers and hold on to that. So this is fairly simple. Just push up on that, and then this pops out.
Okay.
That's
New levers. Just new chrome ones.
that's
Nothing.
the clutch side, I think. So that's why we kept these. These levers are gonna go. Look at the difference,
Yeah.
right, bud?
Oh, way better.
Oh my God. Yeah, so put it in, right? And then pop, just move it a little bit. Nice, huh?
Oh yeah.
And then, put that snap ring back on. You hear it snap?
Yep.
That's what makes make sure that it's on there, and that's it.
Okay, so we got it out. Well, you got it out. Took a little bit of force. Had to pull the lever and the grip, or sorry, pull the lever and the cable right out of there. See that little groove? Like that. Had to be just yanked out from the side.
Okay.
Alright. Looking a lot better already. Oh yeah. Yeah, the clutch lever was already chrome, but no reason not to. Still feels good. Let's get the other mirror up.
And it does come with the new nut, washer, and lock washer. Yeah, watch this. Watch the
These
washer.
things are nice. Let's get them hooked up.
Put it right in there.
Alright.
Start turning. There we go.
Go. Oh my god, yeah.
What a difference.
Total
Transformation.
180 from what it was before.
Gotta be shiny.
Extra,
Nice.
extra shiny chrome.
So put that washer on.
Hurt my eyes looking at it.
Yeah, we forgot to do one major thing on the other side.
What's that?
Put your turn signal back up underneath, so we'll do that.
That's true.
Yeah, go ahead, put that down. And then actually this is gonna get mounted. That looks pretty straight right there.
These grips feel so much better. Oh, oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Come over here and look this way. This way looks pretty cool too.
Oh yeah. Dude, that looks so good. Oh man. And the grips feel way better too. So much better than that plain rubber. Look at the matching set on there. Oh man, how cool. Look at that. We're not done yet though, because we still have the master cylinder cover to throw on there. Should look pretty good. Keep with a nice black and chrome theme. Starting to come together pretty nicely. But we've got plenty more to throw on this thing. I mean, you guys see all the boxes still waiting. These are all future videos. All right.
There. Screwdriver, hang on, let me get a towel and hang on. We're gonna work just like that. We gotta keep this reservoir as level as possible.
Right. So
Because there
leaks.
some, yeah, we try not to, you know, get anything leak. But this cover, you see the brake fluid, how it dissolves like even around here?
Yeah.
It just dissolves all the paint. You never want to get brake fluid or anything, especially on the paint, because he will eat it up.
Get right. So, fluid could use a change soon, but it's not an immediate need.
Good. Cool.
Oh, oh boy. Get a little miracle wash on there. So we got all the work done with pretty much no issues. It was all pretty smooth except for getting this clutch cable back in. This took a little bit extra muscle, but other than that, look how great this thing looks. Oh my God, with the Willie G skulls on the grip, on the mirror, got the new reservoir cover there. It looks so good. This thing is really getting newer by the second, I'm telling you. The way this thing is shining up. We got all the new covers coming for the engine, primary cover, trans cover, timing cover, all of that good stuff. And this bike is really going to start transforming over the next couple weeks. So I can't wait to share that with you guys. But before we go any further, I got to give a huge thank you to Matt from Harley and just Harley in general. Thank you guys so much for hooking us up with these parts. This has been absolutely great. I'm having a blast building this bike, and I can't wait to start digging into the rest of those packages. So thank you, Matt. Thank you, Harley. You guys are the best, and you're really making the dreams come true right now. So can't wait to keep continuing with this build. But for now, see you guys in the next video.